Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do an energy check-in for you today, Libra. Let's see how you're doing, how your person is doing, and what actions that you will take or you can expect your partner to take. And these are general collective readings, Libra, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Libra, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with the person A. For me, this is person A, this is person B, right? You will know which side you're on. So for person A, the first card I have here is the Five of Cups and the Devil. The Hanged Man, Eight of Wands, Seven of Swords, and the Three of Swords. And for person B, Nine of Swords in reverse, Ace of Pentacles, Page of Cups, the Tower, Judgment, and the Hermit. And the most likely action this person would like to take, and one for this side. Okay, so Eight of Swords in reverse is at the bottom of my spread. So wanting to come out of overthinking, too much stress, tension is the underlying energy. Let's put these cards a little bit here. So what I'm seeing as a overview of this connection, I do see somebody in deep regret and sorrow and feeling pretty obsessed, thinking about that and wanting maybe to come out of this overthinking now. Whereas the other person, I think, has already done their healing work and is ready to start something brand new and fresh in their life. So let me take some dialogue message cards and see what's going on here. So Libra and their person, spirit. Libra and their person, if they could say something to each other now. Libra and their person. One more. Libra and their person, if they could say something to each other. Okay, let's take a couple from here. Libra and their person. Okay, and I'm going to take one from here as well to see what the problem is. Libra and their person, spirit. What's going on in Libra's connection? Thank you. The first card I have here, Libra, for you says, I always felt your loving energy so strongly as a comforting presence. It hurts me when I can't feel that and feel your energy. Are you pulling away from me? So that's the issue here. Somebody is now feeling sadness and regret because they're so obsessed with their partner, but their partner, I think, is no longer stressing about them. They are moving on maybe to a fresh new beginning, and somebody is not feeling their loving energy anymore. I know that I'm marriage material, and I know deep down that you know it too. So maybe this person is moving away because the offer that they were expecting from person A's side never really came, and that was a tower moment for them. They felt, hey, I know what I deserve, and you never gave me what I deserved. Maybe that's why they're pulling away. You don't have to build an empire alone. Let me build it with you. I realize that I do want you in my life. Is it too late? Yes, somebody has now deep regret and feeling the heartbreak now, feeling, oh my God, my partner's left me. Maybe I was so busy working or building an empire and never gave that loving attention to my partner, and now my partner's left. So they're asking, I realize that I do want you in my life. Is it too late? I want to reach out, but I'm scared of what you might say. Somebody is afraid now to text them or call them because they're expecting a fight probably. Because maybe they took too long. I keep hearing songs and it always reminds me of you and I. Okay, so if this is your story, Libra, let's start with the reading and let's see what's happening. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Libra, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So before I start clarifying these cards, Libra, I'm going to top it with an angel blessing card to see how my angels are going to bless this reading. So with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Faith is the card. Wow. So if there has been any kind of pause going on in your life, Libra, especially in your relationship, you'll have to keep the faith, and just keeping the faith is sometimes not enough, right? You have to have the faith and you have to take action. But I think somebody here is very afraid to take action because they're scared of what their partner might say. So let's put this card here and let's start with the energy of person A. Now that this could be you could be the other side, you would know, Libra. So person A is feeling 5 of Cups and the Devil energy. Why is that, Spirit? 5 of Cups and the Devil. Why is person A in the 5 of Cups and the Devil energy now? They are feeling very, very passionately attracted to their partner. They want to now heal this connection, obsessed about this connection, and they, heart of hearts, want to charge towards this connection. They are obsessed with the thought of how can I now fix this connection. They want to take charge because they know this is their one. They feel a very passionate sexual maybe attraction to their partner, and they can't stop thinking about them. They are wanting to charge towards them. They want to now heal this connection. Something happened which has put them in this 5 of Cups. Why is the 5 of Cups here, Spirit? 5 of Cups. What are they regretting here? What are they regretting here? A tower moment. Some kind of tower moment which blew up your relationship here, Libra. And now person A is now sitting in their regret and sorrow. One more card, Spirit. What was this tower moment? Some tower moment happened where I think this connection has now come to a staggering halt here. Yes, they feel after whatever this tower moment was, it's halted this relationship, and now their partner is probably holding back from them. Maybe they were holding back in the past and now their partner is. Now they can't feel their energy, and that's led them to now look back and feel the sorrow and regret. The feeling of sorrow and regret is there about all that has ended with the tower moment. So what really happened, Spirit, in the past? The Hanged Man and the 8 of Wands. Maybe somebody was stuck and did not take action, did not communicate their feelings in the past, Libra. Hanged Man, Spirit, and the 8 of Wands as to what happened before. One more. And the 8 of Wands. 8 of Wands. Same cards, my God. Knight of Pentacles. Okay, it's got the story. What happened in the past, Libra, for person A was that they didn't make a decision. Right? Even though they knew that this was their soulmate, they felt that connection, they felt that this is a very strong bond. I've known this person for a long time, maybe for lifetimes, I don't know, but this person never really took action and they didn't communicate their feelings. They actually went the wrong direction here. They stubbornly did not move towards their partner, but moved against this connection, which is what stopped this happiness from coming into this connection. Maybe they rejected, maybe they never accepted an offer made by their partner because maybe they wanted to stay single, they wanted to still kind of do whatever they wanted to do, and because of that somebody left this connection. So how do they feel about their partner now, Spirit? Person A. How does person A feel about person B? Seven of Swords and the Three of Swords. What are their feelings towards this connection now, Spirit, and their partner? Okay, Libra. This person A is still holding on. They haven't really they've always had a fear of change, one way or the other. First, maybe they didn't want to change their lifestyle, move towards their partner. Now that their partner has left, now they want to hold on to their partner. They feel this entire game that they played has backfired on them and has ended up breaking hearts. Now, person A, how they feel towards person A is they want to have this communication with them. They want to talk about, maybe now they want to talk about having this long-term stability, partnership, marriage or whatever. Just give me a second, Libra. My battery is dying. We need a reboot, just maybe as your connection does right now. But the feeling that they have is that they've, I think, created so much of a heartbreak right now. They feel their partner is no longer willing to match them or be with them or grow with them, and they feel their partner has already shut the chapter down on them. Am I right, Spirit? Is that how they feel about their partner? Yes, they're feeling their partner has left them behind, they've left them abandoned, they've left them out in the cold, they're no longer interested in them anymore, they don't want to, this is how they feel about their partner. They are no longer nurturing, caring, loving, no longer giving to the connection, they've left them behind, they've left them, and they've shut the chapter on them. This is how person A is feeling. Okay, let's see how person B is doing. We'll open the action cards later. Person B is in the Nine of Swords in reverse and the Ace of Pentacles energy. Yes, I think this person has had their share of sleepless nights and worrying and thinking, and now they feel, what's the point of worrying about somebody who's going to be so immature, who's going to be a player in my life or be in and out of my life and always juggle me. Yes, they feel their partner's always been juggling them with other people, always behaving like a player maybe. And this person says, I don't want to be stressed out about this connection anymore. I would rather work on myself. I'd rather go and work on myself and have a stable new beginning somewhere else. This is how they're feeling. Ace of Pentacles, Spirit. Why is person B in the Ace of Pentacles energy? Yes, because they don't want to be in a connection which is going to give them stress. I think this person has pretty much healed and understood that there is no point being in the sword energy of the Nine of Swords and the Eight of Swords, and this person is releasing anything or anyone who's going to be immature or going to play games with them. This person is not wanting this back and forth energy anymore. They want something stable. They want something which will grow. Like this is something which is like, planting the seeds of growth, like from 1 to 8, like just something that will actually fructify. A connection which will move on to a more stable thing. Not one day it's there, one day it's not there, one day you're with me, one day you're saying you're with somebody else. This person doesn't want to be in a connection like that. They've made up their mind. So what happened in the past, Spirit, for them to feel this way? Page of Cups and the Tower. What happened in the past? What happened in the past, Spirit, to make this person feel this way? I think in the past they offered their love once. I think they offered their love to person A, but somebody made them feel rejected. It's almost like they feel they were embarrassed and they were humiliated by their person. Their person made them feel like a loser. Even though they were offering their love, they felt that person was in their Nine of Cups energy who said, hey, I have my 9 cups, I don't want a Ace of Cups to be added to this, I'm happy the way I am, I'm not interested. And finally, I think they had no choice but to turn their back on this connection and go out and see what else is out there. They were made to feel like they lost, even though I think they did offer their loved ones. The Tower, what happened in the past? What was this Tower moment? What was this Tower moment? Tower moment. Yes, somebody in this connection, I think, offered a brand new start, but their partner turned out to be the King of Cups in reverse and the Emperor in reverse. Somebody here, maybe the masculine in this equation, was a bit controlling. They wanted to control how this relationship would proceed. They were emotionally manipulating this person. And yes, the Tower hit big time. And this person B, who was offering this Ace of Pentacles and the Page of Cups energy, I think has given up on this connection. They feel, let karma deal with them, I'm not interested. This was a no-no here. So how does person B feel about person A now, Spirit? Judgment in reverse and the Hermit in reverse. They feel their partner's very foolish, is making foolish mistakes, and let the universe deal with them. They also feel that their partner is one second. What's his Judgment in reverse, Spirit? Judgment in reverse. Yes, they feel their partner was not listening to their intuition. They feel this could have turned out to be a beautiful connection. There could have been victory. There could have been the long haul, the Four of Wands, and they feel let the universe do the justice now, I think. Let karma deal with them. What's this Hermit in reverse? What's this Hermit in reverse? Yes, person B is very, very upset and angry. They're very upset and angry, and they are not going to be making any move till person A actually picks them up, reaches out. I want to reach out, but I'm afraid of what you may say. Yes, you may get a little brunt from person B, but they are still expecting you to come and apologize and bring justice to this relationship if possible, and offer them what they deserve, right? Otherwise, they are kind of not interested. I'll be honest with you. This person is saying, hey, I'm not going in for a connection which is judgment in reverse. They're not interested in having repeating this cycle of unfairness. So what is the action person A would like to take towards person B, Spirit? 7 of Pentacles in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? 7 of Pentacles in reverse as the action person A would like to take towards person B. Why 7 of Pentacles the action? They have the Judgment in reverse as well. They feel they feel person B is going to judge them, and they are suffering for all the bad karma that they feel that they've done. They are afraid of. They know they haven't invested in this connection. I'll be honest with you. They know if I go back, they expect the worst from person B. They know that they haven't put in any investment. They know that that person has already kind of put a lid on that cup of love for them. They feel, this is what they think. They feel it's already been decided. They feel that person is no longer confused about this connection. They can't be easily manipulated emotionally anymore. They feel that their person has already ended this connection, and they feel there's no point in putting in any investment now because the judgment has already been passed and they've already lost the battle before it's begun. So I don't think this person can make any Because they're scared. That's the problem. They're scared. Let's see person B. Person B, the action they would like to take towards person A is the King of Swords. Why is that, Spirit? That too in reverse. Action. Okay, so they have made this person also has kind of made a decision here. They have made a decision, even though I think once in a while they do look back to see how person A is doing, or they kind of want to check up on what they're doing. They have also kind of made up their mind that this person is not the best kind and is maybe rude and immature and harsh and rude. What person B is making a decision is to wait and watch for a little while before they actually they're looking for their 10 of cups. They're looking for their 10 of cups, and they've also kind of made up their mind that this is not the one. This is not the one where I can have my 10 of cups with. They want somebody mature. They want somebody who's stable. They want somebody who's actually going to be there for the long haul. So, yes, person B also doesn't have the best kind of impression about person A, and person A knows that what they've done has not left the best impression on person B. And that's the reason nobody is taking action right now, Libra. I'm sorry, but let's take one more card to see if there's anything else that you should know. Anything else, Spirit, for Libra that can help them in this situation? You'll have to find your faith, Libra, and try and work it out. Yes, this is a very, very strong connection. This is a soulmate connection. There is a lot of love here. You will have to find some kind of way to kind of come together and work on this connection, because I think you both feel it. But because there is no action being taken, both are sitting in their own kind of belief. They both believe what they believe is to be true. Person A feels this is their belief that they will not be accepted. Person B's belief is that till I'm not given an apology, the air is not cleared, I'm not going to move ahead. So this is like a stalemate kind of situation here. Okay, Libra? So that's all I have for you. Love and light. Take care. Namaste. See you on Friday.